Touchdown in Ulaanbaatar, Mongolia. We made it 32 hours later after a couple long flights from Canada. And this vlog is going to be relatively short. I just want to jump in a taxi and head into the main part of the city and share with you, once we get there, a little bit more about what to expect from the next couple weeks and what to look forward to here in Mongolia. That all starts right now. Let's go. Got myself a local cab. It's just under $10 to get to the main part of the city. So yeah, we're gonna jump in. This man. This man. Okay. Let's go. I still haven't figured out how to say thank you in Mongolian. We're in the cab and I'm gonna give you my first impressions of Ulaanbaatar. It's about a 50-minute drive from the airport. Taxi driver has been listening to some awesome tunes. It's been a mix of sort of like local music and news. I don't understand anything in Mongolian. The driving is not as crazy as many other countries that I've been to. It's actually much more reserved, as that's again my very first impression from the airport. It's definitely not as crazy as it could be. Looks like the architecture is an interesting mix too of sort of new and old, and a lot of construction happening right now. It's August 2019 in Mongolia, Ulaanbaatar, and there's a lot of buildings going up. So yeah, first impressions, I mean, it's hot. It's like probably 28 degrees, a little bit muggy and humid. But yeah, the driving's been pretty chill. The music, local music is awesome. And it looks like it's gonna be pretty fun to explore. Hey girl. Do you have Greg Snell? Passport? How do you say thank you in Mongolian?
Bayırtla.
Bayırtla.
Yes.
Sweet. I've learned my first Mongolian word, ichla. Oh, it's so bad. All right, and we've made it in the hotel. All in all, that was pretty easy. From the airport, it was 20,000 Mongolian something. I don't even know the name now of the currency. But 20,000 is about like $7 US. So it's like six euros, like really not bad at all for a 48-minute taxi ride. So pretty happy about that. After all that travel though, I'm a little tired, so I think I'm gonna unpack a little bit and yeah, get changed, have a shower, meet Mr. Brendan, go out for lunch, and then sit back down and chat with you guys in a lot more detail about what's happening here in Mongolia. Unpacked, and turns out I'm not as bad as I thought I was. Just had to change the shirt, and now it's time to go get some lunch. Let's go find Mr. Brendan. What's up, dude?
What's going on, buddy?
Frog hug. Oh my god, your beard is crazy.
What do you mean?
You're like Farley Mullet or something.
Yeah.
Wow. Mine's not there yet, but I'm gonna grow it out through Mongolia.
I'm gonna shave mine off. Exactly.
I'm gonna grow mine because Nellie's not here for the next 20 days.
Yeah. Freedom.
Beard freedom. Beard freedom.
Beard freedom.
Lunch was delicious, and of course I completely forgot to film it. Apologies for that, but it was nice to sit down with BBS and get a better idea of what's going to be happening here in Mongolia over the next couple of weeks. So we're going to go back to the hotel and sit down and chat about that and some of the things that you've got to look forward to. We are back in the hotel, and this is sort of the end of this video. I want to try and wrap it up because it is just arrival Mongolia, my first impressions on that taxi ride, and then meeting Brendan and sort of going over what we're going to be doing for the next couple weeks. So I want to share with you that plan right now. So this Mongolia adventure is definitely going to be an adventure. Over the next 2 days, we're here in the capital in Ulaanbaatar before flying out to the western region of Mongolia, an area called the Altai Mountains. If you've never heard of that, check it out, Google it. It is a fantastic region to explore and very remote. So both Brendan and I were saying that the chances of getting a good connection, if any data connection, is pretty limited. So I don't actually expect to upload a vlog next week, which is kind of killer because I was thinking about it at lunch. I don't think I've missed an upload for over a year. I've been uploading on Sunday and Wednesday at 1500 GMT for definitely over a year. I've been on that schedule for probably almost 2 years, and I really haven't missed that many days. So this will be a bit strange for me. I'm not sure what's going to happen next Wednesday, if I'm going to be able to get a video up or not. But if not, bear with me. I hope I've got your patience because on these trips, you know, it really does depend on how much time I'm going to have to edit the content and get it up there. Because as you know, I'm working, and my number one priority is the experience of the participants and being able to document what Brendan needs for his channel. So because he's also just coming off of Sri Lanka, I think that there will be a bit of a gap to get his content caught up on his channel as well, so that when you're sort of watching my Mongolia videos, you'll be able to watch his and vice versa. So that's probably what's going to happen, but I'm not exactly sure. If I can, I'll try and get a video up next Wednesday, but if not, sorry, but I hope you'll stay with me. It is the first time in like over a year and a half that I might need to miss a day, even though I don't want to. So the first like 7 days of this tour is going to be in the Altai Mountain region of Western Mongolia, and then we're coming back here to Ulaanbaatar in a domestic flight, and we've got 1 day here to sort of change gears, and then we head off into the Central Valley. And the Central Valley is more of like kind of a historic area of Mongolia. It's where the old capital was, Karakorum, I believe it's called, where Genghis Khan used to live and have the whole Mongol Empire based out of. Really, really interesting. There's going to be some great temples and like really cool architecture and history to share with you from that part of Mongolia. But again, that's the second half. So overall, we've got a pretty amazing adventure photography workshop experience planned, and I'm looking forward to sharing that content with you here on the channel when I get the time to get it out there and edit it and upload. So yeah, bear with me on that one, but I'm sure you understand because you guys are awesome. So very lucky to have this really great community here on the channel, and it's growing. So if you're a new subscriber, welcome. Be sure to comment any thoughts or your opinions on Mongolia. If you've been here before, let us know what to expect. But overall, I know it's going to be an incredible adventure, and I can't wait to get going. So with that, I'm gonna end this video. Arrival Mongolia, I hope you've liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you on the next one.